My name is Nadira and I'm the professional trainer for the brand Dr. Grandel Cosmetic. As the name already indicates, today it's all about our special products. You also can tell them problem solvers. For whom and which areas of application they are suitable, I will tell you now. Nowadays, we associate useful and beautiful skin with an even, calm and light complexion, free of redness and visible imperfections. But wrinkles and impurities are not always the only problem. We have developed special products for the most common problematic skin types, which should help against different issues. Since these skin conditions did not develop in short term, the products must be used not in a short but in a long term to achieve optimal results. That is why the products are designed to work perfectly with all other Dr. Grandel products, but also with those of other companies. Not instead, but additionally is the motto here. The Couperose Expert Cream and the Couperose Expert Concentrate reduces redness visibly and strengthens the skin cell walls. They protect against inflammation caused by infrared and improves the skin elasticity. They can be used separate or together and with all other 24-hour care products and concentrates as well. The Perfection IP reduces pigment spots, especially those which are caused by environmental pollution, and counteracts new ones. The Perfection White has a brightening and protecting effect against negative environmental impacts. The Protection UV50 has a silky and light texture. It can be used beneath or on top of a 24-hour care. Please keep in mind, a UV protection is the best you can do against premature aging, and it's absolutely necessary for skin tends to couperose or hyperpigmentation. This product is only available between March and October. The Perfection BB has an evening and calming effect and reduces redness as well. Mineral pigments cover irregularities visibly for a bright and even complexion. Offer your clients the whole range of specialists for beautiful, useful, even and calm complexion without any visible imperfections. I hope you enjoyed this clip. Thanks for watching and bye bye.